When it comes to speak English or any other language, the first thing that comes before speaking is your own thoughts. And वो कहते हैं ना, think twice before you speak. It means that we speak our ideas and thoughts. So we need a clear thought before making an articulate statement. And when some ideas become part of your conscious, you speak effortlessly. And it works the same in language learning. You cannot speak in English if you think in Hindi or any native language that you speak already or any native language that you speak. So the truth is, if you don't think in English, you cannot speak in English. So you must have your thoughts in the English language. And have you noticed how effortlessly you respond in your native language? The language you are already fluent in. And why is that? Because you always think in that language. You have immersed yourself so deeply that you don't even realize how much time you are spending just thinking about people, your problem, and the world. You naturally know how to respond and talk about every casual thing. And if you are smart enough, you know how to talk about complex things too. And it's all because you have polished your ideas by thinking about them. So today I'll show you the idea about thinking in English that can make a big impact on your English improvement. And the great thing is you all are overthinker. So I don't think it's a big deal for you to think in English. So use your overthinking as a superpower to improve your English. Let's begin. So let's begin with the reason why thinking in English is matters. Your brain works faster in the language you think. If you are translating, your brain is working double. First your own language, then English. And that's why you hesitate, pause, or sometimes forget words. But when you train yourself to think in English, speaking becomes faster, listening becomes easier, and you begin to feel fluent even with simple words. So the first step to think in English is start small. So wherever you are, look around and name things in English. For example, if you see a chair, say chair. If you're drinking water, say I'm drinking water. And it may sound simple, but this is how you slowly train your brain to connect objects and action directly with English words without translating. So do this practice every day, even if only for 5 minutes. And don't just take it as a practice. Just start making it a habit. So whatever you do in your real life, start saying in English. Like I'm drinking water, I'm writing a diary, I'm watching a movie today. The movie was fantastic, and I love to speak in English, and I'm doing my hair, I'm doing my makeup, and there are a lot of stuff that you do, and there are a lot of things you can talk about every day. Another powerful method is narrate your action in English. What does that mean? When you wake up, you can think, I'm brushing my teeth, now I'm washing my face, I'm making tea. And it's like you are making it a habit that's never gonna change, that you are adapting for the life. And this may feel strange in the beginning for some people. It doesn't sound strange for me at all. But it is one of the fastest ways to make English your natural thought process. Here is step number 4. Use English for simple decision. Try making small decision in English. Should I eat rice or bread today? And when you plan your day, think first I will finish my homework, then I will go outside. And when your inner voices start asking questions in English, you are no longer just studying English, you are just living it. And the 5th step is thinking simple sentences, not a perfect grammar. A very common mistake English learners make that they wait too long to be perfect, or they waiting for perfect grammar in their thoughts. But thinking is not about perfection. If you want to say I'm going to market to buy vegetables, but your mind only forms I go market buy vegetables, that's okay. Because your goal is train speed first, not accuracy. Accuracy will improve with time. So just don't push so hard to yourself. Just give it a time, build it slowly and simply. That's how English learning process works. And the sixth step is surround yourself with English. Thinking in English becomes easier when you surround yourself with the language. Watch shows in English, listen to podcasts, read books, or even short articles. And here's the best thing about this: whatever you see in the home, like you have a lot of products in your home, like toothpaste or washing powder or soap or all the cosmetic that you use. And if you pay attention, you can find a lot of words. So you just need to be seeker, explorer. So the more English your brain receives, the more natural it will feel to use it as your thinking language. And the step number 7, silent conversation in your head. And we all have those silent thoughts in our head. And every time, sometimes they bother a lot. But now you can use them as your superpower. For example, if you're walking alone, you can think in English and you can imagine different scenarios, like talking with somebody that you like, or imagine a small dialogue with yourself. And this exercise makes your brain ready for real conversation. So when you actually speak with someone, your mind already knows the words. And the last step is be patient with yourself. And in the beginning, you will mix your native language and English, and that's completely normal. But with daily practice, little by little, English will start taking more space in your thoughts. And fluency is not about using big words, it's about using simple words naturally without translating. And so, if you keep practicing these steps, you will notice a big difference in a few months or a few weeks. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you found it helpful, please share it with your friends. And yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you in the next one.